liners, thank you very much for your company. Welcome back to your channel, Transmission Lines Engineering TV. After several previous videos in which we deal with historic topics, we will now begin to enter in the subject matter of transmission lines design. We will begin by commenting that the design of a line does not start with the technical part, but with the administrative part. The term administrative, I mean the way in which the areas involved are defined, their interrelation, define the information to be generated, and the way in which the project information is controlled and stored. This is with the objective of proposing a logistic design to avoid confusion, missing information, but most importantly, take care of the fact that all areas involved work with the latest valid information and not with previous revisions or reviews that are obsolete. From this video A8 to video A14, I would like to show my philosophy of information management for any project. I don't mean to say that my way of managing is the best or the model to follow, but simply it is the way that best has given me good results from my own experience, but I would like to share with you. Surely there will be more people with other forms of administration even better than mine, but maybe they can benefit from these videos, and the goal of this channel is precisely provide you information. So let's get started. On video A9, we will describe the disciplines involved in a project, the role of each one, and the interaction between them. Video A10, we will talk about the design logistics and flow of the design for a transmission line project. Video A11, the description of the documentation to be generated for each discipline. Video A12, we will describe the technical documentation to be developed for a transmission line project, calculations, drawings, structures, locations, OPGW, etc. On video A13, once the participating disciplines have been defined, understood the activities of each one and their inner independence, and have defined the documentation to develop, we will spend some time on the important topic of storing in an orderly, efficient way, but especially in a uniform way, all the information in our computer's network, because I've seen in many cases in which some information is required, and it is invested a lot of time to look for it in the different folders that we create in our computers. So this topic seems to me something very necessary in this time in which all of our work is no longer in printed binders but in virtual folders. On video A14, the information control of the project is the basis for the good interaction not only between the disciplines involved, but it's also the presentation card before our clients in order to give them the tranquility that the information they are going to receive is the most updated. The goal of these upcoming videos is to be able to provide the designers tools to describe the particular needs of each project in a general way, but identifying its particularities, and with it, planning its activities, design flow, have a documentation master list to be generated, so the execution programs can be developed based on a planned schedule. So I hope you find useful the next videos, because I think it's not enough to have only technical skills, but also administrative skills as well. Thank you very much for your kind visit. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me your comments. So see you in the next videos. Transmission Lines Engineering TV, training to power the world.